So what is drug abuse? It is the use of illegal drugs or the use of prescription or over-the-counter drugs for purposes other than those for which they are meant to be used or in large amounts. This includes the unhealthy use of alcohol. In Ireland, cannabis is the most illicit used drug, followed by MDMA, ecstasy and cocaine. The National Advisory Committee on Drugs and Alcohol, NACDA, found that the lifetime usage of any illegal drug increased significantly from 27.2% in 2011 to 30.7% in 2015. The Health Research Board also found that between 2011 and 2017, over 55,000 cases were treated for problem alcohol use. Globally, the World Health Organization stated that some 35 million persons have drug use disorders. Like Ireland, cannabis is the most used drug globally. More than 11 million people inject drugs, of which 1.4 million are living with HIV and 5.6 million with hepatitis C. The Global Burden of Disease study found that drugs caused 585,000 deaths in 2017. The harmful use of alcohol results in 3.3 million deaths each year. One of the global drug crises now is the opioid crisis. It started in the late 1990s when pharmaceutical companies reassured the medical community that patients would not become addicted to opioid pain relievers such as heroin. This led to the overprescription of opioid medications and eventually widespread misuse of both prescription and non-prescription opioids. The impact has been severe. In 2017, opioids were responsible for 2/3 of the 585,000 people who died due to drug use. In 2017, there were more than 47,000 opioid overdose deaths in the US, a 13% increase from the previous year. The key problems of the synthetic opioid crisis in North America are fentanyl and its analogues. The opioid crisis has also been a threat to Europe. There were 19,000 opioid users in Ireland in 2014, and in France, opioid-related deaths increased by 146% between 2000 and 2015. In Africa and Asia, there is a crisis of another synthetic opioid, tramadol, especially in West, Central and North Africa. Global seizures of tramadol jumped from less than 10 kilograms in 2010 to a record high of 125 tons in 2017. Thank you for listening, and I hope you enjoy the presentation.